Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video we're going to be replacing the sun visors on our first generation Chevy Colorado. This video should be applicable to any first generation Chevy Colorado, GMC Canyon, or Hummer or Isuzu variant. It's a very straightforward process. The two parts we're going to be using are GM 15213196, which is the driver's side or left side, and GM 15213197, which is the passenger side or the right side of the vehicle. The only tool you should need for this process is a Phillips head screwdriver, and I recommend using a ratcheting one just to make it a little bit easier on yourself. The only variable is if you have a vehicle that has light up vanity mirrors, in which case there would also be an electrical connection that you would need to disconnect as well. Here inside the vehicle you can see the two sun visors I'm about to replace. This is with the gray interior. Obviously if you have a tan or different color interior you would need to order the correct parts to match your color interior. But let me just show you a little bit. You can see the fabric material is completely falling off of both of these. Also, the plastic is cracking, and I've tried gluing these a few times with different types of glue and not had any success. So since these are basically in my face all day every day, I just wanted to go ahead and replace those. I did pay about $110 each for the two replacement parts. You may be able to find those a little bit cheaper on sites such as GM Parts Direct. I purchased them on Amazon because of the good return policy. So to remove these isn't a very straightforward process. It's just the two Phillips head screws right here on the outside bracket. And you would just take these two screws out. Unclip your old visor. There you can see the two screws, where the two screws go. Grab your new visor. Set that into place. Tighten your screws and you are done. Over here on the passenger side, it's the same thing as on the driver's side. Loosen your two screws, pop it out of place, pop the new one in, tighten your two screws, and you're done. I know this is a pretty easy process. I just wanted to do it on my vehicle because, as I mentioned, I look at these things all day long and they were in pretty ratty shape. The new ones are going to look a lot better now that I'm staring at them every day. If this video was helpful to you, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I do a lot of different Colorado repair videos as well as computer repair videos and Toyota repair videos, and I hope to do a lot more in the future. Thank you, have a great day, and stay safe out there.